I'm so happy with how this wall came out. Today we're adding this gorgeous pattern to this plain white wall, and it's just a little bit of an off-white color, and we're using our Carbon Beads Victorian tile stencil. And we're going to be stenciling in a light gray color using our stencil brush. My number one favorite thing in stenciling a wall is using that spray adhesive on the back because it really just makes the process go so nice and easy. I was absolutely loving the light gray color on the white wall because it was just giving me very cold and icy vibes, and as we're moving into winter, that's exactly what we love to see. Once the stenciling was all complete, I was so happy with how it turned out. I got my decorations up and ready to go, and I was obsessed with how the look came out. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.